You're tuned in to the Kansas City Weather Report, your daily source for the latest local forecast right here in KC. Whether you're planning your commute, weekend barbecue, or just trying to figure out if you need that extra layer, Wes has you covered. So let's dive into today's forecast.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Kansas City Weather Report. I'm meteorologist Wes Peary. Today is Monday, January 20th, and it's cold. And here's what's up with the weather. Yeah, it's cold outside, and the annoying thing is it's actually not going to be very sunny either. In fact, it may not even really get above zero for the wind chill. Wind chill again, it's what it feels like outside when the wind is blowing against your bare skin. Not fun. About negative 10 to negative 15 out there this morning. Lunchtime, maybe we'll get up near and above zero just for a few hours. Then the wind increases this afternoon and this evening, and we're back down below zero for wind chill values this afternoon. It feels like about negative 5, and then into tomorrow morning, it's the coldest period of this all. Once we get to maybe about 11 p.m. tonight through 6, 7 a.m. on Tuesday morning, it'll feel like about negative 15 to negative 20. And on top of that, we may set a new record low temperature. With the record's negative 6, it could be negative 10. I mean, you're not going to notice a difference because it's really friggin' cold either way you look at it. It's just going to be really cold and really windy. Tuesday, the sun comes out, thankfully. That helps us out a little bit, but still, wind chill values likely below zero through the afternoon. But once we get late afternoon and the evening, it'll start to feel like about 10 degrees. And then finally, only 17 for the low temperature on Wednesday. The clouds unfortunately do come back, but fortunately, we're above freezing. Above freezing for Wednesday and Thursday, highs 35 to 40 degrees. The sun comes out on Friday, and it's 37 degrees, and we're pushing the 40s for Saturday. That'll feel nice, but again, only about 40. And then Sunday for the Chiefs game, it looks a lot more comfortable than the last one. Afternoon temperatures in the 30s. Reminder, the game is at 5:30. So that means people will be tailgating during some of the warmest temperatures of the game. It'll be like 35, feels like 25. And then kickoff, it still feels like about 25, and then it feels like about 20 by the end of the game. Contrast that with the 10 that it felt like throughout the game last weekend. So it'll feel twice as warm. And for those of you that went to the Miami game last year, it'll feel like 4 times as warm. It's looking up. We're looking up, everybody. Next Monday, we're at 39, and then the following Tuesday, Wednesday, I think we're rising into the middle 40s. There's something that's going to happen next Wednesday and Thursday, so that may give us some rain, actually. Leaning toward rain, maybe turning wintry, but we're in a slightly warmer part of the pattern there by the end of next week. So rain would actually be kind of welcomed. Maybe we'll clean off a bunch of the gunk on the roads. They may be putting down some salt on Thursday. There is a slight chance we get about a dusting. And at this point, maybe we'll just say less than an inch of accumulation on Thursday, because sometimes these systems start off looking like it's not a bunch of snow, and then you get 2 days out and you're like, oh, 2 to 3 inches. So right now we'll say less than an inch of accumulation possible for Thursday. But before then, we have to get through the brutal cold. As you go outside in the next couple of days, just plan on it feeling like negative 10 to negative 15. Because it probably will. And then Wednesday, again, we're in the 30s, 37 Wednesday, 35 Thursday, slight chance of snow, 37 Friday, 41 Saturday, 35 for Sunday, 39 for Monday, and about 45 for Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll likely go below freezing every single night. But once we get through the next couple of days, the overnights won't be brutally cold. Thanks so much for joining me for this edition of the Kansas City Weather Report. You can find me on social media at Wes Weather. Be sure to subscribe to the podcast to keep you updated with the forecast. Have a good one.